Scarecrow and Steve, and these kids call me Old Scarecrow. Now, this next here song we're gonna do is a bit of a toast. And I realize you don't have much to drink, so just pretend if you can along, stick your drinks up high in the air when I get to the chorus. Oh, you got them, that's beautiful. You can drink them too if you want. And a one, and a two, I got the catheter in my shoe. She got all the children talking dinner's corn. And Grandpa's fun.